Now I'll be unboxing RIMI Rural Love 100% Natural Premium Khejurer Gur Patali or Date Palm Jaggery 500 grams. All this is mentioned in the invoice. I ordered it from Amazon and paid rupees 326, which includes GST. So let me unbox this and see what it looks like. So this says just natural, and they've mentioned AP here. What kind of a label is this? There is no proper label. By law, every packaged good must disclose the contents, weight and MRP. But they have flouted all the rules here. This doesn't look good. But let me see how it tastes. It has been packed pretty well. The container is nice. But why are they not following what they're legally supposed to follow? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me taste. Actually, it tastes very good. This is the first time I'm trying this. Before this, I tried only Mon Bangla twice or thrice. This tastes good. The slight grainy feel, but the taste is good. That's for sure. So, but I suggest the packers, manufacturers or packers, whatever you'd like to call them, should follow rules laid down by the government. This is no way to sell anything to a customer. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.